In today's dynamic business landscape, organizations strive for excellence in their operations. Central to this pursuit is the definition of organizational competencies. At the core of defining organizational competencies are three key elements: regulatory responsibilities, risk reduction expectations, and competence criteria for each role. Firstly, regulatory responsibilities encompass identifying legal and compliance obligations, ensuring adherence to industry regulations, and specifying roles' regulatory duties and obligations. Firstly, regulatory responsibilities encompass identifying legal and compliance obligations, ensuring adherence to industry regulations, and specifying roles' regulatory duties and obligations. Secondly, risk reduction expectations entail identifying and mitigating operational risks, and outlining expectations for minimizing organizational risk exposure. Finally, competence criteria for each role are crucial for delineating competency requirements, specifying the skills, knowledge, and abilities needed, and tailoring criteria to align with organizational objectives and industry standards. In summary, defining organizational competencies is essential for organizational effectiveness, ensuring compliance with regulatory responsibilities, and achieving excellence in risk management and performance. Now, let's talk about the implementation of a CMS, or Competency Management System, within our organization. Let's delve into the key steps involved in rolling out this system effectively. Firstly, we begin by identifying critical roles within our organization. These are the positions that are fundamental to the success of our business operations. By pinpointing these roles, we gain clarity on where our focus needs to be in terms of competency management. Once we've identified these critical roles, we move on to the crucial step of assessing and comparing competencies. This involves evaluating the skills and capabilities required for each role and comparing them with the competencies possessed by our employees. This assessment allows us to identify any gaps between the desired competencies and the existing skill sets of our workforce. These gaps could be in areas crucial for the smooth functioning of our operations. To address these foundational gaps, we focus on providing the necessary training and support. This could involve basic training programs, coaching, or even considering role realignment to better match competencies with job roles. Finally, by optimizing talent allocation and training resources, we ensure that we are making the most efficient use of our workforce. By leveraging our CMS, we can match individuals with roles that align with their competencies, thereby maximizing their potential contribution to the organization. In summary, rolling out a CMS involves identifying critical roles, assessing and comparing competencies, addressing foundational gaps, and optimizing talent allocation and training resources. By following these steps, we can enhance organizational effectiveness and drive performance. Let's discuss some of the benefits that come with implementing a Competency Management System, or CMS, within our organization. Let's explore these key advantages in more detail. Firstly, a CMS enhances the safety, efficiency, and effectiveness of our operations. By ensuring that employees possess the necessary competencies for their roles, we reduce the risk of errors and promote a safer working environment. Moreover, implementing a CMS significantly reduces the potential for human error. With clear competency requirements outlined for each role, we minimize the likelihood of mistakes that could impact our operations. One critical benefit is the improved adherence to evolving regulatory requirements on competency. By aligning our processes with these standards, we ensure compliance while also promoting best practices within our organization. A CMS also clarifies roles, responsibilities, and priority functions. This clarity fosters a more streamlined workflow and helps employees understand their contributions to the organization's overall goals. Furthermore, the system enhances our ability to select, train, develop, and retain employees effectively. By identifying competency gaps and providing targeted training, we can nurture talent and ensure a skilled workforce that is equipped to meet our evolving needs. improved communication, and motivation are additional benefits of a CMS. By providing employees with a clear pathway for skill development aligned with organizational goals, we foster a culture of continuous learning and growth, ultimately increasing job satisfaction and reducing turnover. Simplified performance reviews are also a key advantage. With competency profiles readily available, evaluations become more objective and comprehensive, leading to more meaningful feedback and development opportunities. Lastly, a CMS allows us to verify the effectiveness of our training initiatives. By tracking competency development over time, we gain insights into the impact of our programs and can make informed decisions to further enhance our training efforts. In conclusion, the implementation of a CMS offers a multitude of benefits, including enhanced safety, efficiency, regulatory compliance, role clarity, employee development, communication, motivation, performance reviews, and training effectiveness verification.